Today we will learn about adjacent angles. A picture of a fan is shown here. If we consider any two angles, they are adjacent angles to each other. But to identify whether two angles are adjacent or not, we need to understand the concept thoroughly. So let's go through the concept of adjacent angles. Suppose ray OB, OA and OC start from the common vertex and extend in different directions. In this way, they form angles angle AOB, angle AOC and angle BOC. If we talk about angle AOB and angle AOC, then there are a few facts to consider. For example, here, the vertex O is the common vertex of both the angles. Similarly, ray OA is the common arm of both these angles. The non-common sides are on either side of the common side. That is, their interiors never cover each other. Hence, there will be no overlapping. We call such a pair of angles as adjacent angles. Now look at this figure. You can see that here angle PQR and angle RQM comply with these three conditions. So this is also an adjacent angle. Similarly, some more examples of adjacent angles are as follows. If you look around, you will find adjacent angles in many objects. Some of these examples are as follows. Can you think of some more examples like this? Give it a try. Now look at this figure. Do you think the angles shown here are adjacent angles? Think for a while. Let me tell you, the vertex of both angles is not the same. The vertex of one angle is A, while the vertex of the other angle is B. Therefore, the angles shown in this figure are not adjacent angles. Now look at this figure. Do you think the angles shown here are adjacent angles? Let me tell you, in this figure, the vertex of both the angles are the same, but they do not have any common sides. Therefore, the angles shown in this figure are not adjacent angles. Now, look at this figure. Do you think the angles shown here are adjacent angles? Think for a while. Did you get it? The vertex of both angles are the same. They also have a common side, but the interior of both angles are overlapping. Therefore, these angles cannot be called adjacent angles. Always remember that we can call any two angles adjacent angles only when they comply with all the three conditions. If even one of these conditions are not satisfied or false, the angles will not be called adjacent angles. So today we learned about adjacent angles. In the next video, we will learn about linear pairs.